Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your general contractor license in Georgia. So first, you must choose your business structure. So the first step is very important because it determines who is personally liable if something goes wrong, how your taxes are handled, and how your company is recognized by both the state and your clients. Step 2 is to meet the basic requirements. Of course, part of confidently forming your business is that confidence that you can also meet the minimum basic requirements. Here you can see some of the requirements. You have to at least be 21 years of age, be a US citizen or legally reside the country, have no convictions of a disqualifying offense, and in addition to those, you might also be required to satisfy certain necessary educational and professional qualifications. Yes, of course, you must satisfy all insurance requirements. These are important as this will serve as protection not only for your business, but of course to your clients in case of accidents. The next step is now you can start submitting an application. Now, depending on the license you're trying to take, you must fill out the application for that specific license. And all applications require a $210 filing fee and must be accompanied by the following documents. Here in your screen, you can see a list of all the required documents that you need to gather to be submitted all together with the application form. You can submit it online through the state's licensing portal, or you can also mail it to this address. So once you're done submitting your application, the board will then review it, and if everything is good, they will then send you an exam approval letter, and that includes the information you're going to need to schedule your examination with PSI. From there, all you have to do is pass the licensing exam. And lastly, you have to keep your contractor license valid. Once you obtain your license, it's essential to keep it active. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!